Alright, here we have a package just came in. Let me look at the customs commercial invoice. This is going to be okay, it's a 2010 Ducati 796 Hyper Motard. Basically he sent us the dashboard cluster, and it looks like they send us the ignition. So we'll go ahead and program the dashboard with some chips, make the key from scratch to the ignition. This came out of Canada, so we'll come back with the keys cut and everything and program. We're back. We finished making those keys. This black stuff, we actually do a little paint on the back of it. We sprayed it with a little bit of paint for plastics because theirs looked a little old and worn out. Now it looks kind of like brand new. We do that sometime if the lock looks real busted. I'll help you out a little bit. But here we go. Parking. Oh wait. On, off, park, lock. If you notice, steering bolt comes out. Those of you that get other people to make keys for your Ducatis, make sure that it works good going from off all the way to the steering lock. Because most guys, they'll halfway do your key where you can turn it on and off, but when you push in and go to the steering lock, it won't work. And that is not a complete key, not a fully functional key. That means the key is not cut right, and eventually it may stop turning in the ignition from on to off. So that's about it. These have the chips in them. I actually programmed 2 keys to this cluster. As you see, the ignition lock works. That's about it. You need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what we need you to send us. We do not give tech support or anything like that. If you need tech support about your Ducati, may I suggest you contact the dealer. But if you need us to help you with a lost key replacement, spare key, or something on that nature, just go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com, click on mail-in services, and that's it. And then we just go from there. Thank you.